Right now you are standing on a rock, floating through space. But what's the actual shape of that rock? That's what you'll find out in this video. The first question that may come to your mind is the Earth flat? Well, I really hope this did not come to your mind, because I hope that you, in fact, have a brain. In case this piece of hardware is missing from your head, I'm now going to tell you why the Earth definitely isn't flat. So, for example, ships disappear over the horizon as they sail away. The more to the west you are, the later sun rises or sets. Planes fly like this, not like this. Also, this station, which you can see with your own eyes, is orbiting the Earth, and it's possible because it's not flat. And what about the fact that absolutely nothing in the universe is flat at all, but the Earth somehow is? Oh, and one more fact about gravity. You know, that's the thing keeping you from flying into space! On our round Earth, we are all attracted to the center. Whether you are here or here, you will always be attracted to somewhere here. If the Earth was a flat disk and the center of gravity was somewhere in the middle, it would mean that as you moved away from the center, you would be drawn back to it. This means that at the edge of the disk, down wouldn't be down, but to the side. And this is also the reason why all large bodies in the universe are round. Large objects simply always become a sphere under the influence of their own gravity. But you know, people who believe in a flat Earth, besides having a flat brain, also have a lot of arguments, most of which make no sense. For example, for this their argument is gravity doesn't even exist. So let's move on. You may have heard that the Earth is actually a geoid. A geoid is this. This is a photo of the Earth. I don't know, it just doesn't look similar to me. This is probably because a geoid is a physical model of gravitational force at various locations on Earth. It does not represent its shape. So what's the actual shape of the Earth? We know that the Earth has been here for a long time, roughly 4.5 billion years, which is approximately very long. Its shape must therefore be a result of many years of different forces acting on it. If the only force acting on Earth was gravity, then Earth would be a perfect sphere. But there is another player. Centrifugal force. The Earth rotates once every 24 hours and its circumference at the equator is 40,075 kilometers. This means that at the equator, it rotates at a speed of about 1670 kilometers per hour, which is fast, and it is reflected in the shape of the Earth. Due to the centrifugal force, which pushes the mass outward at the equator, the diameter of the Earth across the equator is 42 kilometers larger than across the poles. Another effect of the centrifugal force is that you weigh less on the equator. If you weigh 70 kilograms at the equator, you will weigh 70.3 kilograms at the poles. You may also ask if mountains somehow happen to influence the shape of the Earth. Not really. If the Earth were the size of a soccer ball, Mount Everest would be only 0.15 millimeters tall. Yeah, so in conclusion, Earth is just a flattened sphere. Good night.